I'm interested to see how this one turned out. This is not like, we don't do very many like this, but we do a lot of spirals like this, but not very many with these 3 colors. So, first use ever of one of the colors. This is what, a turquoise, a cayman, and wasn't it, or no? Cayman, baby blue, and something. Right?
Yeah.
Bluebird?
I can't remember.
I don't know. Cayman, baby blue, something else.
I don't know why you always try to get us to repeat it.
Because people always ask.
It's in the beginning of the video.
I know, but still.
I don't know what it is.
We dye a lot of shirts, people. To the inside. Last shirt. Rinse it out real good before we hold it up. It's got those deep tones. Cranking up that hot water, look at it. Good and hot. That's a beautiful blue. I can't remember what blue that is, but it's a good one. It might be sky blue, I can't remember. It's not, the deeper one isn't sky blue. I can't remember what the deeper one is. Maybe it is the bluebird. Watch the video and you'll know. And if anyone has any ideas, please let us know in the comments below. Let's see what we got. Wow, look at that. Oh, that looks really good, is it not?
Yeah.
Let's see the back. Oh man, cool. So cool, look at that. Oh, and
This
the
one
greens,
definitely kept
yeah.
the white better.
Oh yeah. And here's the final result. Check that out, man. Wow, that came out really good. This is our blue deep tones mixed with pastels, so a little bit of both, because we have the deep blue violet with the Cayman Isle, and I believe either sky blue or baby blue. I can't remember which, but one of the two. You have to watch the video of us dyeing to find out. But yeah, that spiral came out really good. We've gotten pretty good, or she's gotten pretty good at doing the spirals. And people love the spiral, so we will keep making them. If you have any ideas from anywhere that you've seen that you would like to see us try, just let us know. We're down to try any pattern, any color scape, anything we think is reasonable that we might be able to do, and maybe even a little bit we don't think we can do. We'll give it a shot. Just let us know in the comments below. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.